Good morning, children. Today we are going to see Biology Chapter 9 Soil. In the last class, we saw how the parent rocks are weathered and the sand is formed. Then the different layers of soil were discussed. Today we are going to see about the different profiles of soil. What is the difference between soil layers and soil profile, ma'am? Means both are one and the same. We saw how the soil layers were found in the previous class. When you look through the sides of the ditches or the slopes of mountain, we could see the layers of soil. Now, we are going to see in detail about how each layer of the soil will be available. Okay, so again we are going to take a cross section, that is a section of the soil, and see in detail. So in the top layer you would have the trees and the plants. The top layer of the soil is called a horizon. Okay, a horizon is the first layer or the topmost layer where you will have the soil as soft and porous. Porous means it will allow the water to pass through them. Okay, so the top layer of the soil will be very soft and it is porous in nature, and it will have the roots of small plants and humus also. What is humus? In the last class it's we saw. Humus is nothing but the dead decaying organic matters like leaves, the fallen leaves, any eatables which we throw, okay, and any dead organisms like small insects, birds. So these are all the decaying organic matter present in the top layer of the soil. We call them by the name humus. So the A horizon will be very soft, porous, and it will have the humus in them. And the roots of the small plants will be present in the top layer. This layer provides shelter for some animals like rabbit, mice, worms, rodents. Okay, some small insects will find shelter in the top layer only. This layer is A horizon. Below this A horizon layer, we have the B horizon. This is the middle layer or the second layer. The other names can be middle layer or second layer or B horizon. This layer will be somewhat hard and compact. Compact means tightly packed. The soil particles will be tightly packed compared to A horizon. Okay, and you could find the minerals present more in this layer. Understood? And the next layer followed by B horizon is the third layer, C horizon. The C horizon layer will have the rock bodies. Can you see here some big rocks? Yes, that is present in the C horizon or the third layer only. So when you dig underground, first you could see some soft soil. Below that you could see some hard and compacted sand or soil, and then only you could find the rock bodies in the third layer, that is the C horizon. In this layer, the rocks will be present with some cracks and crevices. Cracks means some breakages in the rocks. Crevices means also the same meaning for cracks. You could see some deep, narrow breakages in the rock bodies. That is what crevices. Both are one and the same, but it is too deep and narrow. So the rocks will be seen only in the third layer, that is the C horizon. And the last layer of your soil is the bedrock. Bedrock is the hardest rock bodies present underground. This rocks we cannot break it through spade. We need drilling machines and mines. Only then we can break such rocks or explosives. Understood? So they are very hard. That is not possible to break by manpower. We need with the help of machines only we can break it. Such a layer where the hardest rocks are present is the bedrock layer and the last layer of your soil profile. Okay children, so these are the 4 layers present underground. Each layer has a different characteristic. Now, with this I would like to conclude. In the next class we are going to see about the soil texture. How is the soil's nature present in the each layer varies. Okay, so in this itself you would have got an idea. The first layer soil is very soft, whereas in the second layer they are compact, means they are tightly packed. And as you go too deep, the amount of soil decreases and you could find the rocks emerging. Okay, so in the next class we can see in detail about the soil texture. If you have any doubt in today's session, kindly contact me children. Thank you.